You're eating
Can
mukbang.
you feed me?
What mukbang?
Feed me.
Mukbang, there's no feed. You don't want it.
I cannot eat with myself.
Why?
You need to feed me.
What's
Because
that?
you're here in my house.
You're here in my house. What's it? This is my house also too.
You don't have work.
Ah, you know it's my day of today. Eman, it's good today. He's eating more.
Chicken shorty. Chicken shorty.
What's chicken chocolate? You
In
can tell
my-
them?
Chicken shorty is a zombie chicken that is in Minecraft.
You know, you're eating, it's not allowed, you're talking, right? When you finish your mouth to eat without food, you can talk.
Oh.
What you want to tell them?
You only.
I blow it, ha? Why you not blow
Why
it?
you didn't blow it?
Sorry, I did not mean it. Sorry. Ah, still hot. Why you not say that it's hot? Sorry. Sorry man dyan. Why you like this? Tell to your friends that thank you for watching. Follow po.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Yes, for
Follow
everyone.
for more and subscribe to see more of me.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.